I save you, man, yeah? I'm gone. Bun them. I like them anyway.
It is too hot now.
It is boiling.
It's the time when FMOC had to wait to finish the day before we drove off.
He's having a therapy session right now with the guy. So what do you do for a living? Oh, I get you.
Tried to set a price, and the guy was like, "No, that can't run. That can't run. You'll pay this, and you'll like it."
Or the economy is so weak that the price is actually the company.
Oh yeah, I was about to buy the boat, I realised it. You give him the keys. Like, what's going on?
I got a feeling that it's not going well because if it was a quick answer, it was good.
No, it's going well. It's going well. He's actually got a map out there talking.
The zoom.
You're not going to get much breeze. There is no breeze,
Listen, you lot have to listen to whatever I say, innit? Captain A, I'm the captain now.
That's me.
Hmm? You ready for me to be captain? Son?
Yes, I'm excited, bro.
Okay.
I have full faith in your abilities. And
I
your
like that, I trust
capabilities.
that. I'm going to look after you, don't worry. You're safe
I'm
with
excited, bro. This is going to be sick.
me. Innit?
New experience. The island that we're going to be swimming around.
Don't worry, we're going to get to see everything.
Everything.
Hamid, what are you saying? You excited? You ready for me to captain you today? Do you have faith in me? Why are you laughing? That's what I want to hear. Let's get on this damn boat.
One of us have a tool?
How's that gas? Come on.
It's a small island right there. The one right in front of us. He said he can't.
Oh, they're getting dragged.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Where do you think they'll find from?
No, but they could have jumped from. They could have jumped from. I don't know, you know.
What?
They could have jumped from.
So what, Baby Island there?
Yeah, but he said there's no beaches on it, so they just go around it or park up and jump in.
Yeah.
I don't know what he said about that one. He said that's the island with the villa, which is there. He said something about Russians over here, and then this is on the coast.
Should we do this? Go to the Baby Island, just see what's over there.
Yeah.
And go there,
Yeah.
and I go here, and I go there.
Yeah. Don't do that. It was flown off.
It wasn't on purpose.
It was flinged off. Captain A. Looking like a young Jack Sparrow.
I'm trying.
Skipper inside. You see it. Watch out for this.
This is mad. This is mad. I can't believe I'm driving a boat right now. You're safe though, you're safe, you're good. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. The driver's like, I can't believe I'm doing this.
That's a bad sign.
You're good, you're good, you're good. I got you. In my bag. This bit in the cup holder.
Yeah, I got the fucking
Anchor down. That goes up. Tell me when it's out the water.
Not yet. Nice.
Now.
Yeah, pretty much.
You do that, and then you dash the anchor to as far away as you can.
You do some damage.
Alright, let go, let go. Drop it, drop it.
Jeez.
You think we're good?
And then,
A little ladder for you to get back in.
you get a ladder. And that's still good.
way I move my lips. I be speeding, could have been a driver. The way I push the whip, you a hoe. Could have been a bitch. The way you throw a fit. But
Nothing.
Come on. That's how it is. So go from over there and see if you can. Oh, they're recording. Let them finish recording. Alright, where you go? Bring it back. Let my car grab the door. Some Baywatch action.
Hey, grab my phone, please, Adam.
Nice swimming, boys.
That was lovely.
How was it up there?
That was lovely. Nice. That was really nice. Very clear.
Hammond, slick your hair back as you come out. It's like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. Let's go. I don't know how this is gonna go, honestly. Let's try it.
Go on that side.
Wait, let me go. Wait, whatever you do, just keep it that side of the boat, innit? You'll be calm. You can wait right on the boat as well.
Come up, someone come over.
I'll record it. Go past it.
That's a comedy show.
Is he getting us in it?
Yeah, you guys did it. Go put Charlie Chaplin music over it.
Oh, we're good. Fam, of course we're good, man. Easy. I lied! Wow. Come on, man. It actually worked. No one died. No, we have some boats, it's us. All the big boats. Tell the people this we're going all the way to Africa.
Not us. Africa, you know.
Africa and Algeria.
We're about to invade someone.
That way. Let's go. Yeah, Libya. Libya. We see that speedboat made more than the other one because it was faster. Yeah.
That was bad.
Form horrendous.
Chico, bro. Oh, Hamid, I heard you talking shit about me. You ain't coming back. Where's this boat going, bro?
It only gives the English name as well. Oh yeah, Sparty.
No, zoom out. When it's a Sparty. Better not be.
Oh, it says location accuracy is low to be fair. win. I can win between these.
The boat's moved.
Yeah, the boat's
It's definitely moved. It's been moved for time.
No, but the Sparty's, there's no way we're here, bro. Yeah, let me see your phone. There's no way we're here.
That base cabinet where it is, but I need to zoom out. I can't believe it. Zoom out where it is on this house.
My God, it's right. We're here, bro.
We're here. We are, man. Let's go.
Oh no, he's right. Yes, he is right. He's right. I'm saying to you.
Man's been saying.
He's right. He's right. He's right.
In my bag. Oh yeah. Hold on.
Cowabunga, baby. Yeah. I'm still standing.
Go towards Hamid. There you go. My life. There you go. Move in a bit. He's good. He's standing. Yeah. Ah. Safe, man. Don't leave. Well, we're not leaving now. Someone has to be on the ship yet. Shall I jump up? Woo! Come on. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Redo. Hold on. Woo! Get a cut. That's us. Yeah, that's us. Normal. That's light. Anyway. Catch fish. Go, boys.
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.
I save you, man, yeah? I'm gone. Bun them. I like them anyway. No, I'm gonna go back. Come in, boys. You don't want it?
Holy. That boat is doing. What are you trying to say?
Hamid, actually, can you push it? Stay off and then, yeah.
It's good. Huh? That dinosaur action's coming in right now. Wait. Come on. Hey, looks good.
Not here, not here. Oh!
Yeah, she shows me this and stuff. And literally every week I'm I know these guys, we're moving out soon. We like it. Yes. You guys good? Very well. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that is it. No, is it that? Yeah, it's that. Come on. Just in time.
No stress, no stress.
Just in time.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing. What, and then you got £0 in your account? No man.
Alright, we're done. I need a review from everyone, especially Isaac, because his reviews are good.
Let me go last then. Everyone else.
Okay, that's a good point. Go on, Insan, my boy.
The thing was sick.
The thing was sick.
Great driving, I must admit. Abe's a top captain.
Oh, that's nice, thanks. Thanks.
No, but I reckon we covered pretty much everything that we were allowed to. Very nearly pushed the boundaries of what we were allowed to. But sick trip. Next time I'm driving still.
Inshallah, inshallah. Hamid, you said
great trip. As you see, my face is very red, which means
only Hamid knows about the little mishap we had. But we'll get to that one later.
we'll tell the we won't miss that.
Don't tell the youths. Don't tell the kids. No, but you have fun, Hamid.
It was good.
Huh?
Obviously the neutral weren't working, but yeah.
What you say?
I know about that.
Isaac, come on. Go on. Give us the full comprehensive review.
Another 10 out of 10 activity. Wow. Came out, free reign to drive the boat at a decent price. Got time to go around different islands, little islands. Looked at even seeing Meganese as well, which was nice. Got to jump out multiple times. Abe and Hamid got to see the cave. Insang and I also jumped out at a point as well where it was quite nice warm water. You could stay there for quite a while. And then we rode back. I think we were on the cusp of being late, but Abe pulled out the ting and just went in. And then used the wind to our advantage.
My guy, you saw that? You heard that?
Yeah, of course I heard it. My guy, I saw it, man. I was watching.
I was doing up 007.
Yeah, I was watching. I saw that whole thing.
Okay.
And then it was bumpy at times, but it was good. Nice, calm ride.
You felt safe?
That's what I completely felt safe. Calm. And that's it, man. 10 out of 10 review. Nice driving again, Abe. Well done, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm feeling the love. Now let's take a look at this beautiful view. Sensational.